Welcome to the Emerald Islands. Now, let us know few things about Andaman. It's a collection of 572 islands, in which only 32 are inhabited. And the average temperature of these islands is 23 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. When it comes to population, it's only 4 lakhs. And the main revenue is tourism and fishing. Hindi is the regional language. The best thing about this island is that there's no traffic jam. The best thing about these islands is that there's no traffic jam and no pollution. Now, let us see what are all the hot spots in Andaman. First is the cellular jail. It is the national memorial of India. It took 14 years to construct this jail. It's a British European style of architecture. It had 3-story high, 7 wings with 698 isolated cells. It was used to captivate the freedom fighters. Prisoners were enslaved and tortured. Next is the Light and Sound show at Cellular Jail. In this show, the saga of heroic freedom struggle is brought live by the 200-year-old banyan tree, which still stands witnessing the tortures and all inhuman activities happen to the freedom fighters. This is a must visit for every patriotic Indian. Next is Mount Harriet. This is the second highest peak of 365 meters high in Andaman. It's best for trekking trip, spread over some 47 square kilometers. It occupies a national park. It's known for saltwater crocodiles, turtles and robber crab. It's named after a British soldier's wife. Next is Ross Island. This is the smallest island of Andaman, covering just 0.8 square kilometers. This was the erstwhile capital of Britishers from 1858 to 1941. It contains Japanese bunker. Deer and peacocks inhabit this island now. British and Japanese remains of secretariat, swimming pool, church, etc. are here. During Tsunami 2004, this island protected and acted as a shield to Andaman. Next is Chidiyatapu. This is the sunset point of Andaman. It's the island of birds. Blessed with one of the best and shallow beaches, can see the island filled with chirping birds in the evening. And this is also the fishing village of Andaman. Next is Viper Island. It's the first British colony in Andaman. It's named after the shipwreck event of a British trading ship named Viper. It has mesmerizing picnic spots with natural environment, and it's also the place of penal settlement for the freedom fighters of India. Next is Jolly Boy. This is the best place to explore the marine world. Glass bottom boats are available to have a closer look of the coral colonies. Occasional dolphins can be seen very nearly. It's a great place for scuba diving and attracts mostly foreign tourists for snorkeling and diving. It's also ideal for sea bathing and sea basking. Next is Baratang Island, the land of wonders. Mud volcano in Baratang. It's the only mud volcano of India. In fact, the only in Northeast Asia. This island covers total 238 square kilometers. It was formed on 26th January 2005 after the 2004 tsunami earthquake. It's an active volcano. Parrot Island in Baratang. It's a major attraction for bird lovers. This is the home for thousands of parrots. During sunset, the landing of the parrots can be viewed from boats. It's an incredible experience to watch such a huge number of parrots landing here. Next is the limestone caves in Baratang. This is the only limestone cave in India. It's formed with the help of carbon dioxide in the air and soil. Hence, they form into calcium bicarbonate. This formation is not at the speed of light, but takes more than thousands of years. Colors of the cave is determined by impurities. Hence, it's crystal white or golden in color. Next is mangroves of Baratang. They are salt-tolerant forest ecosystems found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions of the world. 1/5 of the country's total mangroves occur in Andaman Islands. Mangroves are practically evergreen with thick leathery leaves designed to minimize transpiration. About 60 species of mangrove occur throughout the world. Asia is the richest region of mangrove species diversity with 44 species reported to occur, out of which 35 species, shrubs, climbers, palms and ferns occur in Andaman. Jarawas in Andaman. Jarawas are one of the Adivasi indigenous peoples of the Andaman Islands. Their present numbers are estimated at between 250 to 350 individuals. One can see them on the way to Baratan. Their society, culture, and traditions are poorly understood by the public. They are the primitives as well as vanishing tribe of the Andaman. The first picture is of a Jarawa pregnant woman lying down with her decorated belly. Next is a Jarawa lady feeding her kid. And this is a Jarawa couple. Next is the Radhanagar beach in Havelock. This is the world's 7th most beautiful beach and Asia's 2nd most beautiful beach. Rajan is the name of the elephant, which is one of the very few elephants in Havelock that can swim. So, when he is not dragging timber in the forest, he is used as a tourist attraction. One can watch the strong bond in between this animal and human while swimming. Radhanagar beach in Havelock is one of the clean beaches in the world, which is gifted with crystal clear fine sand, and it's eco-friendly maintained by the Department of Tourism. So now we have seen the hot destinations of Andaman. And the question now is, why only Andaman? It's because it's a clean as well as a green island. It's rich in flora and fauna. It's filled with places of the Indian freedom struggle. And one more thing, no terrorist, no bomb blast. It's blessed with a wide variety of underwater species, a great place to explore the coral reefs. One of the world's best crystal fine beach is in Andaman. The only mud volcano of India and Southeast Asia is here. The only limestone cave of India is here. The National Memorial of India is also in Andaman. The only Negro trait Jarawas are also found in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In short, it's simply fantastic, awesome, and amazing to know a place covering just 6,408 square kilometers filled with this many wonders. Now, the next question is, why jasmines? With our many sources, we touch your life and send you rejuvenated. Our services. We provide worldwide air ticketing, inbound and outbound tours. We arrange meetings, incentives, conference and exhibitions. World-class hotel reservations, cruise liner reservations, Corporate services from A to Z in tourism. Corporate packages up to 120 members at a single shot. School and college bookings. And many more. So, to enjoy in your own way, to save, with a wow experience, email us at jasminetravels@gmail.com or jasmintravels@yahoo.co.in, or call us immediately in 9679541277 or 03192225822 or 9434261760, or can also reach us at Jasmine's Tours and Travels, 299 MG Road, School Line, Port Blair, Andaman 744103. See you soon in Andaman. Thank you.